In this video, we will learn how to download Roblox on your PC. Just watch and follow this video till the end. In any browser that you have on your PC, search for this. Download Roblox. And just click on it. Click on download Roblox, the first link. And then download Windows app because I'm using Windows. Then when it's downloading, as you can see here, just click on it. And right now it's downloading. So after that, when it's downloading, the launcher will open automatically, so you have to sign in or log in if you don't have account, or if you have. For me, I sign in, so right now I can play any game on Roblox. I just choose what the game that I want to play and click on play. And yeah, so guys, I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to like and also subscribe. See you in another video.